Hello traders, welcome to this video on the profit sunrise indicator for MT4. In this video, we'll look at how this signal indicator appears on the chart, what its signals imply, and who it suits. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow the LL imports. Alright, and there we have it if you look closely. On the chart, the profit sunrise indicator plots buy and sell signal markers directly on the main MT4 price charts. Green circles, as you can see over here, mark potential buy conditions, while red circles, like the ones we have up here and here, mark potential sell conditions. The indicator's internal algorithm analyzes multiple technical factors to generate these signals, aiming to identify moments when trend direction and momentum may be aligned for a potential trade entry. The name reflects its aim to highlight favorable high probability entry conditions. As for the settings, let's take a look. So we have the alerts. You can set alerts for when new markers are plotted. We can also customize our colors for the green and red circles. We can trade on our preferred time frames as well. So who is this indicator for? This indicator suits beginner and intermediate traders who prefer clear visual marker signals. It works on any pair and time frame on MT4. It is a signal display tool only. It does not execute trades. Confirmation from trend context and support/resistance is recommended before acting on any signal. The download link is in the description below. Visit the Forex Geek for more free tools. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.